Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
BP, Chevron, ExxonMobil, Shell and Total Energies raked in a record $199.3 billion in profits in 2022, benefiting from the surge in oil and gas prices that followed Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The record-setting results mark a dramatic turnaround for a sector that suffered brutal losses and slashed shareholder payouts in demand-reduced 2020. The United Kingdom has released its latest paper outlining a central bank-issued digital pound, and the Bank of England believes the eGBP could exist along with crypto stablecoins. The central bank wants an eGBP to be retail-focused and could form part of a mixed payments economy. The CEO of cryptocurrency and forex trading platform MNEFX is now expected to plead guilty for his role in an alleged fraud that federal prosecutors say duped investors out of $59 million.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 05:30 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT. The UK's RICS Housing Price Balance at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.